My teeth were just ugly. Ugly. My teeth were awful to begin with. They were actually falling out, pain, periodontal disease. I didn't take good care of my teeth. Terrible to smile, missing teeth, gaps, very bad. I have a fear of dentists. My fear of dentistry stems from my childhood. There was no anesthetic, no shots to numb the pain. There was constant pain. I actually had to grab his hand for him to stop because it became too painful. All my teeth were bad. It took pain for me to go to a dentist. I went out to do it with my girlfriend, eating rice, and while I'm eating, I noticed something hard while I was chewing on the rice, and then I realized there was a tooth that fell out. Embarrassed by it, I took a napkin and just spit out the tooth, and just continued eating, and just forgetting about the gap in my mouth, not even thinking about it. All right, a tooth is missing. I had to do something about my teeth. That's why I came to Dr. Klein. So the recommendation was Dr. Klein said that I should remove all my teeth and to get an upper arch and a lower arch supported with implants. They know what they're doing. If I had a problem, it would be resolved immediately. I'll never have cavities. I'll never have to worry about it falling out. I could eat without any problems. So it is worth the investment. You're investing in your body, and your smile. Since the work's been done, I have full implants. Now I have no pain. I could eat without any tooth falling out, and I could smile without having to covering my mouth or not smiling at all when there's a picture or even when I'm talking to people. And my girlfriend is very happy with the outcome as well, because now I could smile at her and not be embarrassed.